goes to the roof. Amtech. This is an Amtech elevator. Look at that, there's a key symbol there. Yeah, all they did was replace the COP. Look, the phone box is still original too. Oh my god. Ugh. Original indicator up here. Original lantern. Oh look. I'm gonna have to look on Google Maps. This thing, oh no, never mind, it doesn't fill up there. I wonder what that's for then. I thought this thing was like straight up went onto the roof. I think the original buttons must have been so fucked up that they had to replace the COP. Place and this elevator is absolutely disgusting.